Hello. Today is that comment? How does this work? Wait, can I go on the YouTube live on here?
Let's see.
Like,
Go on our
be some
Twitter.
Sort of infinite
Did it-
Here's
I
our
linked
Twitter.
it? Oh,
Yeah,
perfect.
What's this gonna do? Oh, look, it's me. Wow. Wait, we should erase that little part of the board there. They might see secrets.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
All right, we gotta
Yeah.
hide the secrets. Oh my God, there's secrets here. Oh, you gotta hide them. Wow, how do we leave any secrets here?
Oh God, take that painting down. They'll know.
No,
Oh
the
God.
painting's not a secret. My girlfriend made that for me. I'll go. I'll just take that. She's wonderful. Hello. I'll wait a little bit for people to come in here, and then we have an announcement planned for you today. So let's.
It's really a series of announcements,
That's true, but we still gotta do nothing for 15 minutes, and then we'll cut to commercial break, and then we'll do the
Come
first
back, yeah.
announcement. 14 people. All right, we'll just give it a bit.
Maybe link it to Discord.
Oh yeah, that's a good point.
All the channels.
All the channels, yeah. YouTube Live should have a Discord integration.
We'll do an at. We'll do an at channel.
Oof.
Community. Wait, can I do at channel? Does that work?
Is
Yeah.
that channel or everyone?
It's at channel it, I
No,
think.
it's at
Everyone?
Oh yes. We are live on YouTube Live.
Oof.
Boom.
I just heard 2,000 phone buzzes.
Yep.
Yep.
That channel. All right.
Why is Andy dressed up? Why not be dressed up?
Why not? This is my panda shirt.
Yeah.
But I can still see things on the board there. It's terrible. Oh, notifications quiet. No. That's not the. We shouldn't have open source stuff for that. That makes it too obvious, maybe.
You guys, tell us how good this quality is, because for me it looks fantastic.
Yeah, it's better than. You want to pan over a little, probably. You want to get us both in the shot here.
Oh, I know I have you both in the shot. I gotta figure out a little more how to.
We cut
Fantastic
that out.
quality,
Finally,
thank
good
you.
Quality, good. We're glad. Let's wait till we get maybe 100 people. Oh yes, I did the ad everyone.
Nice.
I did the ad everyone. It happened. All right. So what else are we going to talk about? Oh, we're going to talk about the demise of our terrible. Should we talk about drive.ai?
No. No.
You guys missed the old days of the shit talking Periscope.
This is what we do until we have 100 viewers.
Yeah, we can just talk about how Zooks is next.
It's going to be a drive.ai visual. You can hold your eons up.
They're being absorbed by an apple. Much better than Periscope. That's right. Google is much better than Periscope. Yeah, but Drive.ai was acqui-hired by Apple.
So we know. Yeah. Details have not been
LVL5
discussed.
is out of business. You see, guys, it's because they didn't make money, and that's why you got to make money, and that's what it's our dream to do. Will you get another cost increase for hardware? Let's get the dice. Where's the dice?
Like a couple of people have emailed that.
Where's the dice?
Well, we have the modern
Let's get a D20 up in here. Oh, we have 111 people. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Wow, we're
Serious
getting
business.
somewhere. All right, we'll give it another few minutes. But we're getting a dice, right?
This is special dice. We got it at the rest of this restaurant in our old
We
office.
did. We mentioned.
Here.
Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna roll this dice, and we got a 17. The good news is we're not increasing the price, so
Yeah.
there's no real reason we had to get the dice. Here.
Wait, you know what's the good
What?
news?
So
Is
we have
today the
111 people?
17th?
No, it's the 18th.
Oh shit.
Why?
Well, nothing. Then we could have played a little, It's the 17th and we rolled a 17.
Oh, what are we
So
drinking?
then
Oh,
we'd
we're
increase
drinking
price.
pure leaf tea.
Not sponsored yet, but
No,
Pure Leaf
no.
let us know.
All right, guys. All right. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started with the 129 people watching. Someone was trying to sleep and they got added. All right. So maybe we should talk about the app a little first.
Sure, yeah. So do you all have Comma Connect on Android and iOS?
I see it's just called Comma. It's called Comma Connect in the App Store.
Yeah, Comma Connect, they make the font size smaller on the home
Oh,
screen
I think it
because
looks
it's so
better. It looks
long.
better on the home screen. Yeah.
We might drop the Connect at some point, but it's really the Comma app.
Yeah. So you guys can come in here. Maybe we can bring in here. Is this gonna work? So I can click on my Honda Civic here.
It's not black and white in real life, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Change
yeah.
it to color.
Oh, guys, I keep my phone in black and white so it's less addictive.
Don't be so Silicon Valley, George.
But yeah, you can see where your car drove. It's going to load up the video here. This was just me driving around the block last week in my Civic. Why do the videos take a long time to load?
It's to do. Maybe we should open source Comma Connect.
Whoa, maybe we should open source Comma
No,
Connect.
no, that's not
Oh,
the
yeah.
That's
announcement.
not what we're doing today, but
Here,
Comma Connect
Bring
is
it down a
this
little.
this one works.
Perfect.
Comma Connect is using our API, which we are open sourcing today alongside.
Well, no, we're not going to just that.
Other
We'll start with
things.
that. We'll start with that.
Yeah.
We can do the more announcements all later. So guys, if you want to go right now to, I'm going to tweet it out right now. We have a public API at api.comma.ai, and you guys can go there and you guys can check it out. So is that,
That looks good.
we now have a public API?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, let's go. Let's see is the box going to be good?
The box
Yeah.
with the docs.
Oh no, well, we should really like take a screenshot or something.
So it shows up on the little
Yeah. Let's just, we can do that quickly, right? What can I take a screenshot of that's gonna be good?
Like the
Maybe
comma,
just
yeah,
like
exactly.
this
Comma AI
here.
spec.
Oh
I think
yeah,
that's
that's kind of
Public.
nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it?
Boom.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Boom. Okay. We have a public API. Endorsed not important for us.
Yeah, no, it's not important for us.
You can use it today. Everything on there is available and in production and used by Comma Connect, Explorer, Cabana, and hopefully the tools that you all are going to write with this. We know this has been a, highly requested and desired feature for quite a while. Release. So
Yeah, I'll post that tweet in Twitter. I'll post that tweet in Discord. Yeah. So all of the data that you upload to us is uploaded through this API and then re-downloaded through this API. We make things available to you. Well, you can just interact with your devices. You can download all the raw files. You can see things about routes. You can see
get your device location through Athena.
Athena is the service that runs on your Eon. And then this API, if you go down to Athena, lets you actually interact with your device live on the network. So our server acts like a proxy server, hits the server, goes back down to the device. So that's over in the Athena. Yeah, it's very nice. We like zoom in on this monitor so they can see. We can move the tripod.
I'm gonna move the
Yeah,
tripod.
let's move the tripod.
Break
So.
the
Oh, they couldn't even see what I was doing on the computer. So we really want
I
this to kind of be
know.
like a.
I would like to get a tripod with wheels,
Yeah.
It's the next.
Yeah. So here's a spec. We'll just go through it a bit. So you guys know all your Eons have dongle IDs. And then a segment is 1 minute of driving, and then a route is a bunch of segments. We use JWTs to authenticate. If you go over here to jwt.comma.ai, you can grab yourself a JWT. I'm not going to do that in front of you. Someone will type it all in. Somebody would go to all the trouble, you think, to type in the JWT if they saw it on the monitor?
it's
Maybe.
gonna be truncated actually. You get the first so many digits or characters. So.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, either way, so you can just go right in here to the Comma JWT portal. I
Yeah.
guess if I click login, yeah, you log in with your Google account.
yeah, you can paste it in on the API docs here, and then all of the example requests on the right column you can paste right into your terminal and try it out with your data.
Nice.
You can get stuff about your user, stuff about your device, all your routes, your data, live, well not live video streams, but the video streams that Explorer and Cabana use. That derived data we're talking about, stuff about vehicles, how openpilot talks, Athena, which is the service to talk to openpilot, your annotations that you use in Explorer, and then one global leaderboard.
Yeah, it's actually just the top 40,
Ooh.
but like you used to see in the community page.
Yeah.
So yeah, highly encourage.
Custom leaderboard.
Custom
the Comma
leaderboard,
leaderboard app. All right, how we doing on viewers for that?
We're at 153.
Can you formally announce what it is you're talking about? What do
Where
you
have you
mean
been, man?
formally? Yeah, what's that mean?
We
Yeah.
have a definition section. It's pretty formal on
Yeah.
api.comma.ai.
That's. Oh, does that mean you can build your own Explorer? Well, you could do one better than that.
You can do one better than that, and
Use our Explorer.
in 5.
Yeah, well, I gotta type. It's gonna make me type in the thing, but we're gonna make the Explorer.
Explorer is open source.
Boom.
Is now open source. Boom.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna hide the. You're right.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna look at you, Andy.
George, your password is password. I can't believe it.
I know. Oh man, it's 102. All right, Explorer is now
Oh,
public.
nice.
Yeah, and we rotated the comma points are absolutely still a thing.
You'll see them in the API docs.
Yeah.
Comma points are still a thing.
So yeah, that's if you guys remember what Explorer is, you can go
Let's
in
do a little
here.
demo.
You can annotate your drives here. Give it a second to load.
You really appreciate all of the annotations that have been provided whenever you disengage or nudge the steering wheel a bit, and you go on Explorer and commit an annotation. Especially all the comments we've received associated with the annotations are incredibly useful. So we go back and improve the driving system based on your feedback.
Hi, YouTube.
Yeah, but now Explorer is open source. Really, want to see issues created, want to see issues resolved, pull requests are accepted. Comma's really been accepting a lot of pull requests lately and commenting, and our open source ecosystem is as healthy and active as ever. So, we're trying to get everything out there so that we can build comma.ai. All right.
Audio is
No, but then other people said it was fine. But you know what? We're gonna get a proper mic audio. You can get that from your iPhone.
Nick can hold the boom.
We're gonna get a boom that you just like plug in.
So, one more thing. So Explorer is the tool for annotating your drives and reviewing your drives. Cabana is the tool for exploring the CAN data on your car. And we have this great project called OpenDBC, which has been in the works for almost 2 years now.
Yeah, we came up with it by spring 2017.
So all the cars they don't have public APIs. The way the car modules communicate with each other is all secret. The manufacturers have this documentation file called a DBC, but you can try asking them for it. I don't think that's going to go over that well. Or you can reverse engineer it. And in OpenDBC here, we have really all the mainstream cars now that have been reverse engineered by people, and they're pretty complete. And it allows you to get things like your wheel speeds. You can get your steering angle sensor right here. Yeah, wow, the Toyotas really do have terrible steering angles. They want it wrong. But we used to have this thing called Cabana Issues, where you could publish your issues about Cabana if Cabana had bugs. We're doing one better than that now. We're not just gonna, look, we can hire a full-time person to fix all the Cabana issues, but that costs money. And we're a company, we're trying to make money. So we're gonna do one better, we're gonna open source it. So you guys can fix the issues yourself. Right here at the comma Cabana. We're gonna go in here, we're gonna click make public, and we're gonna type Cabana.
Wow. It's really that easy, huh?
It's really that easy, it's
Oh,
public.
we did it. Oh, no, we did it.
Didn't even make,
Bam.
also, Explorer and, we should put licenses on them.
That's a good
MIT.
issue. Someone want to add a license?
Are now open source. MIT as soon as we add the license.
So both of these applications are based on React, and we are using the latest comma API NPM package, which is also under comma API on our GitHub, which implements the API spec that we showed you earlier. So hope that everyone plays around with these and customizes them in the ways that they want, and the ways that we all deem fit to merge back in, we'll merge in. Make it good.
Yeah, someone's asking, how does anyone start contributing to the code base? Is there any tutorial on walkthrough of the code base?
Well, so for the openpilot code base, we have a Medium that's pretty good about things. The defunct comma.ai affiliate program. But yeah, so we have things like how to write a carport for openpilot. This is a pretty good walkthrough of the openpilot code base. There's another one for Brandports for Toyota.
Yeah, for exploring Cabana, the instructions to get started on the project are in README at the root of each repo. And since they're written in JavaScript and React, very cross-platform, pretty easy to get familiar with. It should be easy to get up and running and make simple changes and see them reflected in front of you. That's the beauty of the web. You can just make a change, and the tools are so good that it'll automatically reload in front of you and show you what you did. So, yeah, read the docs.
Yeah, someone's asking to post that link, and we can maybe just do it.
Let me post these links.
Oh, perfect. And then
we can post this link.
Yeah.
Thanks for making it JS and React. Thank this guy.
Yeah, Cabana was the 2017 brainchild. We were all sitting downstairs in the basement of the old comma office, and we were like, man, how are we going to port all these cars? We came up with OpenDBC, and we came up with Cabana just one random evening. So, ideas blossom. And OpenDBC is an incredibly successful project, and we wouldn't have been able to do it without all of you. And it's not done yet. Every time a new car comes out, and all the cars that haven't been mapped yet, we still need your help. So hop on Cabana, get an Eon, and help reverse engineer every car that we can.
Guys, Kyle Vogt was on Lex Friedman. You guys can watch the podcast. And Cruise was originally making an aftermarket self-driving kit, but they gave up. Not because there wasn't a market, but because it's technically really hard. How are you going to support? Kyle, I believe, said 20 to 50 cars. Well, how many does openpilot now support? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, I'm only up to Honda. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48.
And if you include the model years, we probably got like 65 right there. So.
And that's due to tools like Cabana making it possible to crowdsource this kind of work. We don't own 45 different cars. It's a similar idea, right? How are we going to get rid of the long tail of issues? So always remember, openpilot and every other driving system today is level 2, which means it works in conjunction with a human, not alone. So you have to pay attention at all times and correct its mistakes. Now its mistakes are usually very gradual things, like, oh, I'm drifting a little, oh, I need to brake a little bit harder. And you can do these things. Explorer is to kind of show you what the car was thinking at the time. Like we draw the models, we draw where the car was going. Yeah, you can add more to it.
Yeah, highly recommend. We've already open sourced a decent amount of the tools that we use in Explorer. So the libraries we use to draw the HUD and read the openpilot logs are already open source under comma.ai organization on NPM. So we have comma.ai log reader to read logs in JavaScript. We have our old JavaScript engineer, shout out to Chris Vickery, wrote CapInP JavaScript tooling. So you can read all your log so you can check them out.
Yeah. You just think about how bad all of the other throughout the people modding cars. All the other tools are terrible. Like we tried them all. I didn't want to build anything. I never want to build anything, right? If I can download something, I'd much rather download it. You think I wanted to build pandas? Buy pandas, by the way. Shop.com.ai. Always plug.
Yeah, we built Cabana because you got vector tools which are proprietary and for Windows and cost thousands of dollars, and we thought there's no reason that good free tools shouldn't exist. And now Cabana's pretty truly free, MIT license and open source, cross compatible cross-platform.
Doesn't require 200 meg Windows download. You got to download. Oh, I need Visual C Components Redistributable 2015. Oh.
Now you just need Chrome.
Yeah. We were talking yesterday about Google's monopoly. But yeah, stream is choppy. It's choppy.
We're on
Oh
Wi-Fi.
yeah, look at that. Look at that freeze.
Oh, it's choppy. Oh, look at no. Well,
Are we on Wi-Fi?
I unplugged
Yeah,
this.
we're on Wi-Fi.
Yeah, we shouldn't be on Wi-Fi.
Yeah, you want
Wait,
you can turn off Wi-Fi.
You don't think we should be on Wi-Fi?
LTE?
No, LTE. I'm not saying LTE is better, but like, no, they're with the Wi-Fi too. We're setting up testing.
Well, I know because I'm on Wi-Fi. And
It's fine. Cool. Yeah, I think that's kind of the event.
Yeah. Check out everything we've released today. Submit issues, give feedback on Discord and Twitter and everything, and yeah, we're excited to see what you build.
And wait. Any questions?
Yeah.
We'll take reasonable questions. No, it's not a product announcement, guys. It's for developers. Remember? Where's developers? Wait. Oh, that's gonna echo.
What is?
That's what these events are. You ever see this event?
No. Oh my god!
But that's who Microsoft was.
Look at all those developers.
Look
They're
at the
so
audience,
stoked.
man.
Oh my.
We haven't seen a sweat
God.
stain in tech since that.
Google CEO versus Congress.
Google is evil.
Wow. Wait. Can we, by the way, talk about how that's where YouTube autoplay is sending you?
Yeah.
Hey, they're not. They can't be censoring everything yet.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
They're working on it. Where is the API code to send start car command to Eon from Comma Connect? That doesn't exist. Bring back the comma tree. Only in the old office.
I don't remember the commentary.
This is
Remember
the
the
antenna
contract?
on the outside.
Oh,
outside
That
the-
time
Oh.
Harold showed up with
Yeah.
a 4x4?
That's right. Yeah.
San Diego
part of
inspire new
nature.
ideas. No, you just had to get out of the Bay Area, man. Get out before the crash happens, you know? You want to appeal to the masses, then speak to the masses. Developers are important, but so are the masses. I love comma, but work out how to appeal to the normal drivers. That's what's happening in the announcements that aren't for developers.
Mhm.
As announced, this announcement is for developers.
July 1st for the masses.
Yeah, July 1st is definitely for the masses.
Ah.
Well, July 1st gets us on a track to the masses. Oh, we have a new slogan. Oh, let's tell them about our new slogan.
Oh yeah, check out our Twitter.
Check out our Twitter. You know how it used to be ghost
Should we
riding
get
for
rid of the
masses?
hashtag anti-hype? I think we should.
Yeah, we can get rid of anti-hype. and
Because
we'll
like
just
make
put a
driving chill is
period
simple
at the end
enough.
of
You
it.
don't need to put more controversy.
No. Make driving chill.
Period.
Right? That's our new slogan. Make driving chill. It's like ghost riding for the masses, but it's make driving chill.
Yeah.
It's like I'm loving it, but we love to see you smile.
How many retweets?
Do we have another question?
Retweets is really the number.
There's no
we
developers.
don't.
What about the data set though? No.
Soon.
Do you all want your data? Well, I don't want data. Actually, what about the data set? You know what? What about the data set? Why don't you go to search for comma 2K19? What about the data set? I'm just going to link you back here on Twitter. What about the data set? Already published, bro. We open sourced data at the end of last year. How do you plan on growing your data set? It's already too big, guys.
It's too much.
All right. Maybe we should take them to see the data center and see the testing closet.
Should we?
No. There's not enough viewers.
Yeah, we have 119.
viewers.
Over our 200, we'll do that. But
Maybe
Yeah,
July
yeah.
1st, you know?
yeah,
Wow, 120 people?
I know.
Oh, let's talk about the Eons without the extra customs costs. Bro, I'm not making any money off of your customs. Why should I pay for it? Because you made poor choices. I assume you live in a democracy. I assume you made poor choices when you voted. What about Netflix on Eon? No. Yeah, we have a lot of data, guys. We have too much data. Data's really expensive to store, you know?
It was our largest component of our cloud budget,
Yeah.
which is going
Oh,
down.
well, we're bringing all the data right here to San Diego,
Mhm.
and then
It's like retirement. It's where you bring data.
Thanks for the free money,
and
cloud people.
retirement.
Wait, common navigation? No. The only thing he's hacking here is his ability. I'm
What's
losing
this
faith by the
string?
second here. I thought George was a legendary hacker. The only thing he's hacking here is his ability to host host a stream. Start card through Comma Connect. This seems to be a gimmicky feature that people want. ML distance card fund is already in there. Oh wow, the stream rate is lagging. It's terrible. You still have a commentary. You were able to extend it on 0.6 when. We don't make comments on future products. An ETA navigate on openpilot. Well, I'll say this. Anyone who wants Navigate on openpilot should read the Consumer Reports review of Navigate on autopilot. Now, Consumer Reports is a very nuanced company, right? They're not bought out, they're not sold out, at least as far as I can tell, and they're very pro autopilot. But Navigate on autopilot is not good. When it makes lane changes, it does it worse than human, right? You should really only try to do things where, driving in the center of a lane, that's pretty easy to do better than a human. Humans aren't that good, even if you're not like super distracted. You still sometimes let the wheel drift a little and jerk it back, right? Control loops are much faster, and when you're making a lane change, there's so much human intuition that goes into it that unless you can actually do it in a better than human way, you shouldn't be doing it at all. And that seems to be like most of what Navigate on autopilot is. Now, combining it with navigation in like intelligent ways, this is something we're interested in the future. But building something that looks like Navigate on autopilot and works like Navigate on, I rented a Model 3. Autopilot's great. It's very similar to OpenPilot. I tried out Navigate on Autopilot. I never use it. I wouldn't ship that. I think it's alpha.
Yeah, I hear a lot of anecdotes about how people definitely don't like it and feel somewhat unsafe. And the statistics show that auto steer is
Auto steer is what people
really use. It was a great article. Kirsten Korosak, great journalist.
Oh, the one that breaks down. Oh, this one. I thought you were talking about the one that breaks down like which features people want.
I saw that. I don't know where to find that right now, but
yeah.
What's the latest development on the Corolla?
It's there.
Yeah,
it's in the garage. It drives.
Yeah, it's gonna drive there. Office tours, no. Oh, good. Maybe I should get retweets. We love retweets. We love when people buy things. By the way, please buy things. Shop.comma.ai. We love when you buy things.
Yeah, if there's any way to show your love and support.
Yeah.
It's really through
to
purchasing.
It's with a checkout that makes it to the end.
Yeah, that's exactly right. It makes it to the end. Very easy to buy.
Going to adding just a cart is not enough.
All right. Doing by angular torque.
We should call it the Rolla. That's better.
What?
We should call it the Rolla, not the Corolla.
That's terrible.
The Rolla?
Yeah, someone just commented
terrible.
that. That's brilliant.
It's terrible.
You need a consonant.
Yeah.
We got to use the name as Toyota intended it, right?
No,
like the Accord.
The Accord, that's fine. What paid trips? Why am I buying you a trip to Europe, bro?
Because someone in the community bought Chase and a few others a trip
to Hawaii.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
ask your fellow rich community members for that.
Yeah,
we're
we
not
can't
rich.
do that.
We're not rich. I mean, maybe if enough people go through the checkout, then we can afford that.
They want to see you, Viv. You want to say hi to them?
Camera woman. Thank you. I am a woman.
You can never be sure of these things.
I know that's true. Someone wants to know the best car for 0.6.
Corolla.
Yeah.
Corolla.
They probably have good lease deals on the Corolla right now.
Yeah, get in a new 2020 Corolla, drive it off the lot. Check out Longo Toyota. It's the largest dealership in the world.
Give a shout out to the guy who helped you.
Steven?
I don't remember.
Steven?
Yeah, I think it was Steven at Longo Toyota.
Steven at Longo Toyota. Just here, any new announcements? So what we announced today is that we now have an API. I will post a public API. There it is right there. We've also open sourced Explorer and Cabana, the tools that you've been using for the last 2 years.
Let's have a call to action wrap up. Those are good to have.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. You want to call it to action? Okay.
Yeah.
So you can go on comma.ai, Cabana issues, and we're going to turn this off, and you could port the issues over to comma.ai, Cabana. Oh, we already have issues. Oh, these might be internal issues. Oh yeah, remove the stupid 3-minute scroll bar. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Cool.